Dumela, welcome back to Setswana class. As you can tell, today we'll be talking about entertainment. But what is entertainment without music? So, there are few musical instruments that have been translated to Setswana, mainly because those same music entertainment has been used for many generations by people in Botswana or in other neighboring countries. So it was easy for the ancient Botswana to translate into Setswana. But most of the recent instruments, or like instruments that later came on, unfortunately we don't have their names translated in Setswana. So I'm very proud to be holding a guitar today that is one of the instruments that is played in Botswana. But we are not going to talk about music instruments. We are talking about entertainment. Entertainment is mainly led by music, by singing, by clapping, by dancing. So I think it's relevant to learn few instruments in Setswana and then dive deep into entertainment. Let's begin. First instrument is katar. Katar. It's guitar. And the second instrument is meropa. Meropa. Meropa is drums. And pala. Pala, which is like a whistle. And porompeta. Porompeta. That's a trumpet. Well, now that we have covered the basics of instrument in Setswana, what do you say when somebody wants to go out for some entertainment or nightlife? Okay, number one is maetiso. Maetiso. This is nightlife. Then we have dibara. Dibara. These are like bars or pubs. Then we have the club. The club is like your clubs. Then at all these things we are going to watch concerta. Concerta or the concerta, depending on where they are located, because maybe there are different concerts happening in the same area. So concerta is concert, or the concerta is concerts, concerta is concert. The bioscope. Well, I had a little bit of headache trying to figure out if this is like the actual word that we use for movies. The bioscope. You'll notice bioscope is a word, it's a word that was borrowed from the Afrikaans language, which happens a lot with the Setswana language because, like I said, most of the things came later on, and people didn't really have time to like name or like explain this type of things. At all these things we are going to be watching badiragadi or modiragadi, performance or performer, artist or artists, badiragadi or modiragadi, singular. Baopedi, kana, seopedi, singular. Singer or singers, baopedi or seopedi, singer or singers. Dibini or mini. Dibini is dancers or dancer. Then we have mino wasetso. Mino wasetso. Traditional dance. This could mean traditional dance, the actual traditional dance, or it can also mean traditional music. So mino wasetso could mean traditional dance or traditional music. I hope that's clear. And then we have the last thing, like us with the guitar, those are delay to or delay to. those are like your sound equipment, speakers, guitars, drums, trumpets, keyboards, all those. They fall under delay or delay. So yes, we have come to the end of our video. If you want to see all this, well, just check the description below and you'll catch on. And if you have any question at all, just let me know. Send a comment, send an email direct to my email account, which is like somewhere in the page info. Bye. So, ko fitala ko pang naman na kanyeta. Salansen. Kusya.